1 plus 1 can be greater than 4 or 1 plus 1 can be 0. Good morning, Toastmasters and guests. What's synergy? When two or more people join, the combined effect is greater than the sum of their individual efforts. Just recently was watching the World Cup T20. We could see India losing the first two games. There are a lot of reasons. The fatigue of the bio bubble, a long tour of 6 months abroad, money over countries' interest. So a lot of reasons. Personally, I feel teamwork takes more time. For a few months being on an IPL team and suddenly put on a national team needs time to settle down. Team collaboration is not that easy. Synergy is at its best when team is engaged and work together. Wanted to implement the Japanese fibers concept inside our hospital. Few years back started it. I was so excited about it and forced everyone to do it. Sudarshan, my fibers team lead, he enjoyed doing it, but he was the only person enjoyed doing it. Many others did not like it. They did not discuss with me their issues. Rajkumar, one of my senior staffs, told me, we are busy with our daily day-to-day work. Why are you burdening us with more tools? For formality's sake, majority did it. After 4 years, I still felt something wrong. Am I missing something? I was just wondering. Earlier this year, one late evening during the online exams time, my Mrs. Maheshwari was teaching my son Akshat for his online exams. It went on for hours together, late night. I remember what I told her. The purpose of education is to make the mind think, not just exams. Daily put in little effort rather than sitting for long hours during the exam alone. After the exam is over, then take a long break. As usual, they don't listen to me at the house. But this stuck on me for a while. Am I not doing the same thing my son is doing? In the hospital, we are doing fivers for the award's sake. We have external awards during December. October, November, we get a mail. November, December, Jan, we prepare for the awards. Jan, we get the award. By Jan end to September, we stop it completely. There's something similar to what my son does during the exams time. The purpose of fivers is improvement and not the awards. Are we building the people or telling people what to do? I gave too much importance to the tool. Earlier phase of my career, I was doing all the things by myself. Will delegate but micromanage my team. Now understand the owner's primary responsibility is to create the culture of the company by building people. Looking back, now I understand I did not do emotional deposits, winning people's trust, only withdrawals, using people. I did not focus on the humanism and was focusing more on the missionism side of people. Learned it the hard way in managing people, got to understand different personality tools like DISC profile, Myers-Briggs profile. So now focus on more building the team. Sports and movies have a lot in common, and I love both of them. So spend time weekends watching a sports movie, more of a team-based sports movie, not an individual movie, where you learn team building better. There are a lot of movies, English, Facing the Giants, Coach Carter, Moneyball, Hindi, Chuck Day, Gold, in Tamil, Avon, Biggle. In movies, the coach is always portrayed as the tough guy with no emotions. I could connect it with my earlier style, being emotionless. Talking about movies, a famous American Hollywood director, Quentin Tarantino, in his own words, at the end of 60 years of filmmaking, if there is one thing I have learned, it is this. We all make a great film only if we are all making the same film. I'll repeat. We all make a great film only if we are all making the same film. Imagine the Kerala boat race where each of them are going in different directions. Every team member should be aligned to the common goal. I could relate to the movie example in the hospital. That's why we are focusing more on the people practices now. Have a clear vision, mission, core values. Everyone should know what we are doing as a team. So make sure everyone are aligned together, not pull in their own different directions. Now, we all of us see a movie and review it a lot. It's easy to review. In a movie, there are more than thousands of people working, but are everyone working on the same movie? Each one can't have different directions. The same way in our workplace, are we having a clear alignment of the vision? By the way, it's November time. Again, it's exam time for us. Again, it's awards time. So we discussed with our team and deliberated a lot. Should we go for the awards or shouldn't we go for the awards? Then we thought, like, at least for the exam's sake, kids are studying. If the exams weren't there, the kids wouldn't come study at all. So we decided we'll take up the award, but this time practice more on improvement, not for the award's sake. My learnings with people and synergy to create alignment, PWG. First, win people's trust, communicate more. Second, focus on why are we doing it, communicate more. Third, have a common goal, communicate more. Better communication leads to better synergy within the team. Let it be family or a department or a company or a country. If we all align and work towards the same purpose, we could create more synergy and make 1 + 1 greater than 4. Thank you. Back to the Toastmaster of the day, Yasin.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ashok, for the wonderful speech.